Hello everybody, this is Kevin with Inspiring How You See That. We're the inspirational channel that goes behind the scenes and interviews some of your favorite artists, entertainers, and much more. So today we're going to be talking a little bit about the camera recording, and you'll see that I'm down in a segment here, and we had some questions about, well, how do you get the screen or your backdrop, of course, you know, showing the backdrop of what you're recording behind you. These are helpful tips for if you're recording in OBS or if you're just starting out. So of course this goes with some of our green screen editing and how to, you know, get a green screen in there, what green screens to use. But that's the green screen behind me. So then that way you can just see myself and what's being recorded along the outer edges of myself. So if you're looking to edit your camera, as far as if you did get a green screen and you want to put the green screen behind you, you see your webcam here. So depending upon what webcam you are utilizing, you'll right click on it and you see filters, click your filter. So as you see, when I click on this, you'll see the Chroma key already displayed up on our camera. So we've already implemented that in. So if you do want to implement that in, all you do is you right click on your mouse over this dialog box here, right click on it, and you'll see your Chroma key. And you can go ahead and enter in your Chroma key, but of course we don't want to do that because we've already have ours in there, so we don't need two Chroma keys. So I'll exit out of that. And then on your screen, this one you don't see it on ours because I'm recording two screens. I have ours on actually two screens, so I can show you this under the Chroma key. So on yours, you will see your camera image pop up here, and it'll show you your backdrop, your green screen behind you. And these are the settings. You just kind of gotta, you know, make sure to move them up or down, and you'll see it'll actually take the imaging green screen out from behind you as you just kind of mess with these. And there's really nothing we can tell you on exact settings because everybody's camera and everybody's system is different and lighting is different. So one important thing too is the lighting. So if you're in a dark area, make sure you do have some good lighting. Don't have something real bright because some of those you'll get real bad outlining areas if you have real bright lighting, or you might get shadowing effect. So just make sure your lighting is somewhat, I would say in the middle, with the bright and dark settings. So depending upon what kind of lighting you're using, if you're using the high incandescent white lighting, yellow lighting, just kind of have it in you know, maybe the yellow setting to medium setting. If you're utilizing and you have an office area or an area that has a window, of course, you know, let in some of the light, but don't let in a ton of sunlight because then you'll get glare. So those will help you with some of that, and it's just kind of a technique. You just kind of have to go through and work on, you know, trying to get, you know, the outline behind you all set up. Now you're not going to have it perfect, but it will be good. So hopefully that helps you within the Chroma key setting for OBS, and you can utilize OBS in many different platforms. And we'll talk in other segments about if you're wanting to use it in Zoom, if you're wanting to use it in Google, if you're wanting to use it in any of those platforms, so that way you have a different background and not a background of, you know, somewhere if you're in your home or an office or somewhere where you don't want to see the background, you can actually utilize OBS within a Google Meets or whatever you're doing, and it looks nice and professional. So again, if there's something you are looking for in particular, let us know. Throw it into comments. We'll try to get out as many of these as we can, and or help you out with those and respond to you as quick as we can. If it's something within a question within OBS or even an editing program, we'll put that into a video format instead of trying to send you virtually a complete dialogue log of how to do it. It actually works better in video form. So be watching out for those videos, and we'll see you on the next one.